Hello, lovely people. How are you doing? So, lesson 12 was all about doing a writing for me, and you could send it to me and I would correct it. Now, I'm going to give you some general feedback on that, which was all about food matching. Now, if you've never read this book, I well recommend it. It's in Spanish for sure. Que Vino con este Pato, Ferran Centelles. Great guy. And really down to earth, really easy to read. I'm not sure if it's in English yet, but for all those Spanish speaking people, you can find it definitely in Spanish. Well recommend it. I think there are a couple of points that have to be really underlined and emphasized, and that is that, first of all, food matching, very complicated. Because to have the perfect match is practically impossible. Second thing, very subjective. It depends on you as a person. It depends on your background. Depends on where you come from, where you live. Lots of different points. Yep. Third point, it's not all about looking for similarities. There are different types of food matching. There is contrastive food matching as well, and there are lots of different types of things you can actually find in this book. Okay, I would think another point would be taste, pair or match, and then taste, pair again, and try as much as possible when trying to combine wines with food, or even different drinks with food, not just wine. And so, in other words, trial and error. Try as much as possible, find what works, find what doesn't work, and just keep on going from there. And I think you have to be open to different people giving opinions. Everything is not valid, and everything and anything is not just a superb or a unique experience. But there is one curious factor, and that is when people match wine and food, very rarely do they have the food and the wine on the palate at the same time. So therefore, if you're just eating and then afterwards drinking, that there is a fundamental property of drinking liquid, which is to clean the palate. It's not to create a food matching. So food matching on the palate is when both of these things come into contact, in my opinion. I'm sure other people would think the same, and I'm positively sure people would also think opposite. This is the great world of wine, and lots of people have some great opinions to listen to, and I'm sure you can find different people saying different things. So, lovely people, have a great day. I hope that feedback was enough for this lesson. Now, we're going to get on with the next lesson, which is lesson 13, which was about vocabulary regarding the vineyard. See you later, lovely people. Bye.